In this video, I'm going to show us how to get ready to turn in our 2 drafting assignments. Both are going to be done in the same way. One of those things are going to be going to the SketchUp for Schools app on the PCs in the back, and then also downloading from Schoology the layout files for drafting S and for drafting C to insert our 2 downloads from the SketchUp for Schools app. Now, what we need to do first of all is we need to go into Google Chrome. So I'm already here on my screen in Google Chrome, and the next thing I've done is I went to the apps. Now, the one thing that I found out is that here, if we go and we click on our apps, you guys don't have the app. The one thing I'm also noticing is that when you come in, even though if you sign in with Rapid Identity, it doesn't always log you into Chrome. So the one thing I'd like you to do right here is please make sure you're logged into Chrome. I believe either right here where my thing is, it'll say sign into Chrome, or down here where it says Web Store, you can sign into your Chrome at this time. All right, remember it's your login, so it's your last 5, first 5, middle initial, 00, and it's the @isd728.org. Now, I'm just going to go to my web store, which is the next step after you log in. Now, sometimes we get lucky, and when we go into our Chrome web store, you're going to find SketchUp for Schools app in this top 4. All right. If you notice, mine is not there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this one time to type in SketchUp for Schools. I'm going to let you know that when I hit enter here, the last couple times I've done this, it has not worked. So we have to do a different method. But once again, please check these top 4 to make sure you don't have it there before you type anything and hit enter. Now I hit enter, and notice that it doesn't search for this right. By Google, no, free, doesn't work, doesn't matter. So the next thing that I'm going to do is show you how to find it. What I'm going to do is in the same tab, I'm going to type in, and make sure you follow this directly, SketchUp for Schools, and then after that type in app and hit enter. When we search for this, it should say this, SketchUp for Schools, and then the hyphen, Google Chrome. Select it. Now, it'll take us to this portion right here. We should get 2 options, visit the website or add to Chrome, and we want to make sure we add to Chrome. So when I click this, it'll say add SketchUp for Schools. We want to add that app. The important part now is this should happen every time now. So once we come in, we should be able to find our SketchUp for Schools app by going to our apps as long as we're logged into our Chrome. All right. Now, that's all I'm going to do for this video is make sure we know how to get SketchUp for Schools onto our PC in the back. Thanks for watching this video.